Here's the app called Eyepic Iris Photos. Capture the unique beauty of your eyes. First camera app for iris photos. AI-driven iris photos enhancement. Ready to order custom masterpiece. 4K print quality. Real life treasures. So yeah, a lot of interesting things then you can buy with your iris. IP camera app amplifies the natural beauty of your iris, highlighting its every intricate detail with remarkable clarity. Simple, snap a regular photo of your eye and let our AI do the magic. Create your truly personal piece of art. AI-powered AI photo enhancement, print ordering, one-tap share and high-quality downloads. So yeah, that's basically the idea in here. And then this is the app. Do you have a referral code? So you just decide whether you have a referral code. And then what's your eye color? As I understand. And that's the idea. See your eye, one photo is just $4 per photo. Then there is family pack for photos, $10, unlimited. 100 photos per month, $20 monthly. So this is what you decide. So then you can also, I guess, yeah, so here is $4 and that's how you just do it. Unfortunately, this app only requires an upgrade. If you like this video more enough, then I will just create an upgrade and create a video of upgraded version. By the way, here is a referral code. You can refer people in here and get some credits for free. I don't know how to get this referral code. Then you have gallery, and then yeah, you can take a new photo in here. Yeah, so that's basically the idea in here. And then you have some use a back camera and a mirror for the most epic results. So something like that. Mirror will help you center on your eye. Or ask a friend, or use a flashlight where you can enhance all of it. So pretty cool. I hope they have some kind of referral program. Seems they have, but I don't know how to generate referral codes in here. But yeah, pretty cool app, so try it out.